Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Xiaomi Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro. So first of all, let me tell you whatever language you will have on your phone right now with whatever letters, the symbols and the positions will be always the same. I will show you right now. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, you have to scroll down here to go to the settings here. So tap here on the symbol for the settings here at the corner. So then we have to scroll down to the point additional settings. It is this point here with the gray field and the 3 points in there. You can see that icon here, so tap it. So now we will need the second point, language and input. Tap it. And now we will need the first point, languages. So and here you can choose the language you want to have. For the English version, you will have some dialects, also some local ones. Let's take the English here to show you it better from India. And now the phone is in the English language with the dialect of India. So just choose the language you want to have and immediately the phone is turning into your language. Yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your questions, and yeah, maybe if you want you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again, and yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.